Oh, where's me fullies? I've got to get another box. Hang on. And we're off again. Where's the half? Full. Press them in, give them a bit of a rub-a-dub-dub, and you're laughing. Rub into position. DIYs, you can do this. You'll save a fortune. Chicks, you can do this too. You'll save a fortune. See the difference? There to there, then you just adjust it all with your cross. 1.5 That's all there is to it. Go-getters. I don't do a lot of this though. I choose my work, and if people want this, well, I charge them, you know, in their bathroom. I charge them a fortune. I don't go out hunting for this type of work in bathrooms, no. Not my thing. I like the bigger tile. See how it's all come lovely. The cross brings it all nice. Oh, here's my taller one. Bit slippery. it into line. Get over there. All right, people. Cool. The finishing touches. People. And there you have it. Just check it. When you're doing this sort of stuff DIYs, always check it, because see how I had to fix up one? There's always one or two that you've got to fix up because you didn't see them when you were doing them or doing it. It is a better word. The lady of the house she's flying back, coming back tonight from the UK, and she'll be going, "Oh, that's beautiful." And then, "I've got jet lag, I've got to go to bed, have a sleep." Oh, that's nice, guys. Guys, that's nice. Right, that's it. There you have one splashback. I'll do that in misty grey as well. It's a nice silver grey. It'll look bloody beautiful, and it matches the marble bench top. This is Chriso, the Tilinator. The wannabe. Nah, in all seriousness, guys, subscribe to my channel if you would. Help me grow. I'm out to teach everyone I can. Ask me a question, whatever, and I'll get back to you with an answer. See ya.